Hi, this is Dan again, and continuing the tutorials about the BPMS software. This one is going to be about updating your BPMS. When you look at this switchboard, which is the very first screen when you open BPMS, you will see here the version. The version it says here is 6.05Z. And what you see in brackets here, it's telling you about the version of your Microsoft Access. In this case, it's 2003. So this version of BPMS is a little older. I know that right now the version is at 6.10 and the letter is F. And so I'm just using this older version to show you how to update. So in BPMS, above the switchboard, you have the regular Windows Help menu. You can expand it down. There is several options. You can have your manual. You can open it up with the PDF Acrobat Reader. And you can go to our web page, but we're currently dealing with BPMS web update. So you can use this option. It will basically ask you to close BPMS. You will confirm it. And it will open up the web page. Let me size it so we can see it in this window. It's the BPMS update web page, and you would be using the small update, which is the 13 megabytes update. If you need to actually run BPMS from installation from scratch, you can even download this full BPMS update. And you will have to know your product key number for that one. So we are going to deal only with small update, which is just basically going to update your application for you and for all the people in the office that use BPMS. So I'm going to click on this, and in Windows XP I'm going to get this prompt to run or save. I'm going to actually run it, and as I say run, it will be saved in appropriate folder, which resides inside of the backend folder. I will show it to you later. We can actually go now and close the BPMS web page, because this is now downloading the update. It's pretty fast, considering that it's only about 12 to 13 megabytes that you're downloading. And as it says here, it's downloading at the speed of 160, 170 kilobytes a second. So it's going to take a short while to finish it off. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you, I know where my backend is, and I'm going to show you later how to find out through your software. But this update, as I said, run, it's basically going to my backend, which resides under the program files, and inside of the folder BPMS6AD there is a folder update. So when you say run to this prompt that we have seen before, it's actually downloading an update file to this folder. And if you're in the network environment, only first person will run this update and automatically download this to the appropriate folder. So all other people that need to run BPMS, when they start BPMS, automatically they would get to the blue screen, the installation screen on BPMS. So okay, this has been downloaded, and I'm going to say run now. I'm going to get to this blue screen now. Alright, let me see if I can't size it down now, but it's okay. It's a typical BPMS installation screen. I'm going to say I agree. Next, and it's telling me where the program resides. We just confirm next. It actually recognizes where the backend is. If your backend folder is on the network, it wouldn't say C. It would most likely put the drive letter and the set of folders where your backend resides. So I'm just going to go next, and it's telling me that it's going to put the version 6.10G, which is done on October 9th, 2011, as you can see here. And it will take a short while. It's actually copying the update.exe file to appropriate folder. I'm going to finish, which should close the blue screen now, the installation screen. And we're back at our desktop. So if I start BPMS, considering that the update, that the old program, the program I was updating was really old, it will also, besides giving me the this regular prompt that it's refreshing links to the database, it will most likely tell me that it wants to add a field to the database. Okay, oh, it said like it's done. Okay. Oh yeah, it says here that at least one field need to be added to the backend database. So we're confirming this because from the version that I had to this version, it was probably over a year. And meanwhile, we have been adding some database fields and all of that. So you keep confirming. And eventually, it's going to go through the whole database and add the parts that are required. It will take some short time. It's also telling me that if I haven't been actually updating for a long time, there is a new field called address block, and it's recommended that you basically populate this automatically by clicking here, yes. If your BPMS is newer, you will not see this prompt. Anyways, I'm back at my switchboard. I will cancel the reminder, and I can see that my version is 6.10G, and I can certainly go and see that my BPMS here is updated. Okay, so that's it for now. This is how you update BPMS. Eventually, if you are done with this, then all your colleagues that are using BPMS, when they start BPMS, they will automatically get a prompt to update, and they wouldn't have to download anything because, as I described, it's residing in a backend folder, and it's in a subfolder called update. Now, just one more thing to mention. Under customize, under the file locations, you can see the location of your backend folder. So under C program files, in my case, under BPMS 6AD, you would see a subfolder called update, and the update.exe file resides there. Okay, that's it for this tutorial of BPMS. Signing off, Dan. Bye now.